To coordinate inspections with local authorities, you need to call your city or county building department first, pull the right permits before any work starts, and then schedule each inspection at the correct stage of your project so an inspector can check the work while it is still visible. Think of it like this. Inspectors need to see certain parts of a project before they get covered up, like the wires inside a wall or the pipes under a floor. So the order really matters. First, you get a permit, which is basically permission from the city to do the work. Then, as work happens, you call and schedule an inspection at specific points, like after the framing is up but before the drywall goes on. Here's something a lot of folks do not know. Many cities now let you schedule inspections online or through an automated phone system, and some even offer next-day time slots if you call early in the morning. Also, inspectors usually give you a rough time window, not an exact time, so you want someone available at the property the whole window, not just show up right when you think they will arrive. One common mistake is covering up work like drywall or insulation before the inspector has a chance to see what is underneath. If that happens, they will often make you open it back up again, so always wait for approval first. Another big misconception is thinking one inspection covers the whole project. In reality, most projects need several separate inspections at different stages, so it helps to ask up front for a full checklist of every inspection your specific project will need. People also forget that inspectors can fail a job for small paperwork issues, not just construction problems, so keep copies of your permits and any approved plans on site at all times. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.